Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this question. A line L given by the equation ax minus 3y plus 3 equals 0 is perpendicular to the line K, which is given by the equation minus 14x plus by plus 5 equals to 0. So what is the value of a over b? Meaning the a in the first equation, then the b in the second equation. So what do? We are having two lines that are what? Perpendicular. You know, when two lines are perpendicular, so let's just say this is the line L, this is a line K. They are gradient. If I know the gradient of this, it will be ML, then the gradient of this will be what? MK. If I multiply their gradient, ML times the MK, I should be having a negative 1. So this concept is what we are going to use in order to find the value of A and B. So what do? We need to find the gradient from the first equation. And how can we find the gradient? We know we can only find the gradient if we rewrite that equation in the form of a linear equation, making y the subject, as in the equation of a straight line. Meaning y equals to mx plus what? C, where m is the gradient we are referring to. Meaning the coefficient of x become what we are interested in. So right away from here, let's take the first equation, ax minus 3y plus 3 equals to 0. Paying attention to the y, since it's negative, I'll be adding 3y to both sides of the equation. So this will become ax, then I'm left with 3 equals to 3y. You know, when you add 3y to both sides, it gives you 0 at the left hand side. So what do? I am looking for the value of y, not 3y. So let's divide each of the term by the 3, whereby this will cancel, making your y to be equals to a over 3x plus 1 as the first equation. So the moment we are able to do this, then we can say that the gradient, in this case ml, is going to be a divided by 3. The coefficient of x is the first gradient. So now we have to find the gradient in the second equation also. So if I have that, it's going to be minus 14x plus by plus 5 equals to 0. Since the y is already having a positive coefficient, I maintain that in the left hand side. Then add 14x to both sides and subtract 5 from both sides. Meaning by will be left here equals to this is being added to both sides, making 14x. 5 is subtracted from both sides, so minus 5. We are looking for y, not by. So let's divide by b, meaning y will be equals to 14b. That is 14 over b, x minus 5 over b. So we can see clearly from here also that the coefficient of x is going to be the gradient. So the gradient, in this case mk, is just going to be 14 over b. So we know the gradient of the two lines now. So what is the connection between them since they are perpendicular? So that implies that gradient L times the gradient K to give us a negative 1. And what is gradient L? That is A over 3 times gradient K, 14 over B. That will give us a negative 1. You can see that A will multiply 14 to give us 14A, 3 times B, 3B. since multiplication is what? Commutative. And we are looking for AB as a fraction. I can see AB. So I'll rewrite this as A over B times 14 over 3. I don't know if you get that. That will be equals to minus 1. We can see A over B. They are multiplying. So the A can be here, the 3 can go there. So the same value if we change their positions. But we are looking for AB. So we can only have to eliminate the 14 over 3 so that the AB will be there. And the only way we can eliminate that since it's multiplying is to use its reciprocal. So this is going to be A over B times 14 over 3 times 3 over 14 equals to negative 1 times 3 over 14. Whatever happened to the left hand side must happen to the right also. So you can see that 14 will cancel 14, 3 will cancel 3. Then that will simply mean that the value of A over B will be equals to minus 1 times 3 over 4, giving minus 3 over 14, 3 over 14. So the value of AB, since we are looking for them as a fraction, will give us minus 3 over 14. I believe the concept is clear. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.